What is going on YouTube? We got a box today right here, and I'm going to show you guys. We got the TRX4M on the countertop here, and we're going to show you some of the upgrades that are on it and what we're going to be doing to it. So let's just pop this thing right here off and just get in here and show you what we got going on right now. So far we got RC all-wheel drive, aluminum rims or brass rims. These things are heavy. We got portal axles with the brass things. I lost a pin on this one, that's the problem right here, but these are the portal axles with servo on RC all-wheel drive. Portal axles, servo mounted already on it. That is a 32 turn RC all-wheel drive brushed motor with 11 turn aluminum differential housing. It still has this in here. This is coming out. Injorna sent me one. It's got 59 millimeter Injorna shocks on it. It's got Injorna brass links. It's got RC all-wheel drive shafts, aluminum. What else this thing got going on for it? But let me just show you guys what it's about to have. So check this out, y'all. Yeah, let's just check this out. Look here, guys. These are new portal axles with the servo mounted on. New portal axles. But check this out, guys. These have 10 millimeter extensions on each side. 10 millimeter extended on each side, so it's going to be 20 millimeters. It's going to be so much wider, guys, when these are on here. So much wider. If you look, the brass inserts are at the edge of the wheels now, so the wheels are going to be mounted clear out at the opposite edge of what they are now. So it's going to be huge. But there's that, and here's the rear one. That shows you guys anything how big this is going to be when we get them bad boys on there, and oh, they're going to look so good. And these ones have brass inserts already in them. Oh yeah, all your points to hook your links up, and it comes with all new hardware, guys. It comes all new hardware in the bag. It comes with new drive shafts. These are the diff lockers you got to put inside the diffs if you want them locked. All right, there's the drive shafts, all your little yokes that have to go inside and screw into these. So we're going to start slapping this thing together, and we'll bring it back and show you as we go. All right, y'all, I didn't want to leave you hanging. So in order to do this, if you're wanting to put the diff lockers in your differentials, you're going to have to, first of all, pop off one of your portal axle covers off the side. Make sure you don't lose no bearings, gears, or nothing like that. That comes off the side here. See how that one's still connected? That has to come off, because when you pull your center differential out of here, you have to be able to slide these drive shafts out. So this one's going to have to come out too. This one comes out. You slide the drive shafts out of it. You're able to pull that up out. You throw this little cute diff locker in there, and bam, diffs are locked. So then you have to unhook your two links. Make sure you lay everything out where you need it. Don't lose none of this stuff, guys. It's tiny. Pull your pumpkin off, your cover off, and then I'm going to pull this other side off, pull this differential out here. I'll show you this first one. We'll get it slapped together. So unless you guys want to be like me and put this all back together and then have to pull it all the way back apart, make sure you pull the bearing off of your regular one and stick it onto your locker. So without that, you're going to have to pull it all back apart like I just did. We'll be back. All right, y'all, moving right along. I wanted to show you this. When you get to the drive shafts, guys, they have one hole on one side. It has a tiny, tiny Phillips head screw that goes in there, and I mean tiny, and it's a Phillips head. It's actually right there. And then once you get that Phillips head in, it's got a spot right here for a grub screw that you put in there and lock it in. So tiny little Phillips head right there. Tiny little Phillips head. Grub screw on the side to lock it in. And they are slider drive shafts, but look at that, guys. I mean, the quality of these RC all-wheel drive parts for the TRX4M are undeniably amazing. I won't say it for everything else because I haven't ran everything else, but these are phenomenal.
Hi, Dada.
Hi, Kai. And there we have it, guys. This thing looks so much better with a wide stance like this. It is so much better. It's completely better, guys. Everything about it, and it eliminated a lot of the torque twist that it had, guys. The torque twist where it was twisting real bad. It helped it out tremendously, guys. Amazing. Guys, we got the TRX4M out here with I'll bring it up here and show y'all real quick. Well, you've seen it in the video already, but real quick out here. I'll get up there, buddy. Real quick, 20 millimeter extended hubs, RC all-wheel drive, portal axles, Injorna links, RC all-wheel drive, or Injorna 59 millimeter long travel shocks. It's got a RC all-wheel drive aluminum transmission case in there with an RC all-wheel drive, 50% faster motor. It's got the servo mounted on the axle right there from RC all-wheel drive. A little beast of a servo for a little thing. Look at that, guys. It's got crazy power. But let's just see how she does. We ain't drove her yet, so let's check her out. Still got torque twist a little bit, I can see. Yes, it helps if I get it back where y'all can see it. and RC all-wheel drive aluminum rims. And it's got brass inserts in there for the rims. It's got brass inserts. ESC's cutting out right there though. That's why we got an Enjoying ESC on the way from them. Because you try to power it up and it cuts it out. What, Kai? Show you all the speed of this thing real quick. It's gonna be a short video, but yeah, look, so much faster. Oh, we about flipped it. So much faster than what it used to be. We flipped it. Kid back here, mean daddy, mean daddy, mean daddy. Oh, he goes right up the stuff, though, guys. I mean, look at that. Thing's actually a beast for a little truck. I can't wait to get the other ESC in here so it'll actually be able to push the power and not cut out like that right there. As you see, though, she can climb right up anything. If she wasn't cutting out, she'd climb right up anything. Oh man, come on, little truck. Now you got me looking bad. Get up there. Keep cutting out though. We rolled it. We rolled it, Kai. Oh, this ESC's killing me with the cutting out. Let go of it. See, if my ESC wasn't cutting out, it'd be able to go right up this, but now. And anytime you try to throttle it up, it just cuts out. There, it come right up it.